Welcome to a revolution in luxury travel, ladies and gentlemen. This is a message, not simply a motorhome. This is the McLaren Motorhome for 2026. Its exterior is a spectacular combination of racetrack aerodynamics and cutting-edge design, having been designed utilizing the same DNA as the world's most amazing hypercars. Each curve and line serves a specific function and is composed of carbon fiber for maximum strength and minimal weight. Even when it is stopped, its matte gray paint and distinctive LED light highlights, which are reminiscent of the vintage McLaren Senna, give the impression that it is traveling at 100 miles per hour. However, this beauty is more nuanced than it seems. This work of art hides a hybrid V8 twin-turbo engine, a race car-inspired powerplant with over 900 horsepower. It demonstrates that a 5-star hotel and a Ferrari on wheels can be supported by its combination of raw power and electric economy. You enter the cockpit and discover a pilot-appropriate command center. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a huge, curved OLED panel that is a masterwork of simple design. Everything is shown in stunning clarity, from infotainment and navigation to a thorough performance summary of the hybrid system. Inspired by the McLaren Artura, the steering wheel feels properly weighted in your hands, and the dash is covered in high-end leather and carbon fiber trim. Here, you may interact with the machine and see the accuracy and enthusiasm of McLaren engineers. A lavish, open-plan living area takes over the ambience as soon as you exit the cockpit. The interior is a modern luxury masterpiece that skillfully blends elegance and efficiency. The delicate mood lighting, which highlights a neutral color scheme and clean, angular lines, creates a chic and serene ambience. The furniture prioritizes comfort without sacrificing style thanks to its lightweight composite construction and premium Alcantara coating. With a large retractable screen and a top-notch sound system, the lounge can be transformed into an immersive home theater experience thanks to the seat's ability to spin and recline. You'll discover that the bedroom is a haven created to promote the highest level of relaxation. It has simple lines, calm lighting, and a calm atmosphere. Unmatched comfort is provided by a king-sized bed with a high-density memory foam mattress. There is plenty of storage without taking up much room because of the concealed cupboards and compartments that run the length of the walls. You may wake up to breathtaking views of the outside while yet having total privacy thanks to a sizable panoramic window at the head of the bed. The excellent design of the bathroom is undeniable. The idea of a wet bath is enhanced by a rain shower head and a walk-in shower with tempered glass. The sink and toilet, together with a touch-sensitive faucet and smart mirror, are effortlessly incorporated into the design. The flooring is made of a beautiful and long-lasting heated composite material. This area, which prioritizes design and economy, demonstrates how opulent even a tiny room can seem. With all of its contemporary appliances, the kitchen is a chef's paradise. The sophisticated cabinets expertly include a 2-burner induction cooktop, a combination convection microwave, and a full-size refrigerator with a freezer. Constructed from a sturdy, sleek composite material, the countertops offer a surprisingly large surface area and ingenious storage for all of your cooking requirements. It offers the upscale atmosphere you would anticipate from a contemporary penthouse, and it is furnished to allow you to prepare delicious meals anytime you choose.